we're doing
What are we doing?
we're doing a pressure
Washer video?
Yep.
And what's the name of this one?
Kärcher.
Yeah, Kärcher 2000 PSI. We
Just
got
shaking the water out.
Yeah, we just got it hooked up here.
Yeah, we
And you're taking the turbo nozzle out. Why is that?
Because it's going too fast.
It's going too fast, okay. And you want to try out which one?
So, because
it
goes slow.
Yeah, so it comes with this little nozzle holder here. And we got soap. 40.
Yeah, I already took soap.
Yeah, and it has a 40-degree nozzle, a 15-degree nozzle, and a turbo. But Hudson,
turbo goes too fast. But I didn't press this when it was turbo because it would go too fast, actually.
yeah, so you're just installing this. And so I'll pull down, and you pop it in there. Okay, so give it a little push. All right, we got soap in there.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna watch Hudson fire it up here.
It's just going a little. It's hard to press. I can only push.
It's not pulling? Okay, give it a little pull there. So soap, this has a little bit of a light, loose nozzle.
Is
the
this
water.
soap?
That's the soap one, yeah.
Is that the soap spread on this?
Yeah, we don't have the soap in the pressure washer, but
Can you roll it out a little bit with the water?
yeah, okay, so let's show them one of the other degree nozzles here first, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you take that off? Yeah, see, 4-year-old can do it, so not too bad for anybody.
It's not too bad for me. But just this.
Which one are you pulling out there?
But I want to go.
The 40 degree?
I want to go slower.
Okay, so yeah, 40 degrees is probably good.
It's 40 degrees fast.
Yeah, well, it'll be faster than soap. Everything's going to be faster than soap. All right, give it a try there.
No, I want to do this.
Okay, so it's got a on and off.
How do I do on? Where's off?
Well, it's either on or it's off. So let's see if it's
on.
All right, let's see here.
Is that on?
It's on.
I want off. Off. Can you come give me a boost, Daddy?
It might not be working. Maybe it's off, right?
Off is on. Oh,
Okay, so turn it back on.
I don't want it to go too fast.
All right, so
I can pull a white now. That's my new. This one's soap. 40.
15 and turbo, right?
Yeah, turbo. But I want to do something. Soap's slow.
Yeah. So, what do you think? What do you think of the pressure washer then, Hudson?
Good.
Yeah. So, it's good. It's got on and off.
Yep, on and off. But right now it's off.
A couple different soap compartments. Nice.
Where does the soap come
Nice
with?
reel for winding in the hose. Quite a long extension cord. Going all the way up there to plug in.